Perfect Polly turns to look at you, then starts to sing. Her cheerful lilting song can keep you company all day long. Everyone loves Perfect.
What the f***? Can you believe some of the products they used to push on us back in the day? But this got me thinking, are there any hidden gems out there from As Seen on TV that could help us out in our shop? So I just bought 7 As Seen on TV products to see if any of them can make our lives just a little bit easier. Today, we're taking a look at some weird ones as I scoured the internet trying to see if any of these gimmicks would actually cause some efficiencies in the shop. And I haven't looked at a single one of these, so we're going to uncover these tools together. And hopefully we might get a surprise in here or two that might make a permanent home in our shop. But if all of these items are junk, I still want to have a little bit of fun today and take a look at some of my favorite As Seen on TV products. So let's unbox these 7 As Seen on TV shop items and take a trip down memory lane and see if you remember any of these crazy As Seen on TV products.
Introducing the revolutionary Sauna Pants, the at-home sauna experience that you can enjoy when you want to and where you want to, right in the comfort of your...
Dear Lord, all I can think of is swamp ass, or what I like to call swass. That's disgusting. Our first item today is all about tape. But not just normal tape, we're talking about double-sided tape. And there's 3 main types of double-sided tape that I use in my shop. My personal favorite is my double-sided woodworker's tape. Not only is this tape very strong, but it's also very thin, which makes it ideal for holding pieces of wood together, and even more importantly, it's great for templates. My second type of double-sided tape that I grab if I want a little bit more power is my carpet tape. Now, although this tape is quite a bit more powerful, it's a little bit more difficult to use, and that's because it's quite a bit thicker. And it's because of this is a tape that I typically only use with my Shaper Origin. And the last tape that I use is one of my most powerful ones, and that is the Scotch Extreme Mounting Tape. One of my favorite uses for this tape is to temporarily hold drawer faces in place until you get them mounted. I know for a fact that's not the only use you have for that tape. Either way, all 3 of those tapes made me want to check out this first out-of-this-world item. This is called Alien Tape. Let's take it out of the box and see how it works. If we look inside the box, you're going to see that it comes with 3 10-foot rolls. Let's take a look at the box to see what this tape's claims are. Now, the box says that this should work on any surface, including brick, wood, marble, tile, metal, glass, plastic, and more. But I'll believe that when I see it. Let's take a closer look at the tape itself. Now, one of the first things that I notice about this tape is it's crystal clear and is really pretty thick. So right off the bat, it reminds me a lot of the black mounting tape that I currently use. So it might be another great way to use in the same fashion that I use that black tape. But if we take a closer look at the tape, you'll notice it's considerably thicker, probably about twice as much as thick as the black tape. But all of this could be a good thing. Let me show you how I anticipate using this tape. My main idea for this tape is to use it instead of hot glue gun on things like planer sleds or router sleds. Let's do a little example. Let's pretend like this is my planer sled and this is the wood that I want to flatten. First, I'll take my piece of wood, cut off a piece of tape, and attach it to the wood. With the tape now attached, I can now flip my wood over and attach it to my planer sled. And after adding that wood to the planer sled, not only has it stabilized that wood, but it's also very secure. Now, all we have to do is to flip on our planer and run the wood through. And with one side flattened, all you need to do is to remove that wood, which is easier said than done, flip the wood around and run it through to clean up the other side. And just like that, in this tiny little example, you have a clean piece of wood on both sides. And I'll have to say, I'm pretty impressed with this tape. This tape is very difficult to remove and holds your piece of wood securely. And the fact that it could stick to that rough cut lumber is really a winner in my book, as I fully anticipate on using this tape in combination with my claws when flattening out slabs with my router sled. As there's no question, this tape is a heck of a lot stronger than my hot glue gun. Well, our first item is actually pretty useful, and I'm kind of surprised, but we have 6 more items to take a look at. But before we take a look at another one of my As Seen on TV shop items, let's take a look at another one of my favorites.
My shoulder strap used to pull so tight I could hardly breathe. Now with the Teddy Bear, I really enjoy traveling again.
My wife used to always complain about the pressure from her shoulder belt. Not anymore.
And the Teddy Bear worked so great, he got one for himself too.
Can you imagine rolling up to Home Depot or Lowe's with one of those dangling off your chest? I know I couldn't. Let's get into our second item. So our next item is a multi-tool, a 9-in-1 multi-tool to be exact. First off, for some reason, this is probably a terrible idea for women. I'm not sure why women would want this, but let's take it out of the box and find out. So inside the box, it comes in a nice foam casing. Let's take it out of that foam casing and take a look at its 9 features. Now, typically with multi-tools, some features are stronger than others, and I'm guessing that's going to be the same with this one. First and foremost, it's got a ballpoint pen. If we twist the very end, you can see the ballpoint pen extends past the frame. And the pen writes easily on wood, and with its thicker metal frame, feels very comfortable in the hand. If we unscrew that pen all the way, you'll see its second feature, which is the stylus. If we unscrew that stylus all the way, we'll find feature number 3, and that is a 2-headed screwdriver set, with both a Phillips head as well as a flathead screwdriver. Feature number 4 is included on the frame of the pen, and that is a bubble level. A bubble level that's very small and quite difficult to read. Feature number 5 is right next to that level, and that's an imperial and metric ruler, measuring in at 4 inches long or 10 centimeters. And I think they include each one of those rulers as a separate feature. Which takes us to feature number 7. With a quick little press on the end of the pen, there's a small LED light, which is pretty cool. Number 8, it's a bottle opener for drinking beer in the shop as you do. And finally, number 9, which is probably the lamest out of all these, as they say that bottle opener doubles as a phone stand. So is this guy one of the gems I was hoping it was going to be? No, it's a gimmick and a classic as seen on TV product. The only feature that I see myself using this tool for is its initial feature of being a pen. And maybe that's why this 9-in-1 tool is a better gift for men than women. Let's check out another one of my favorite as seen on TV products.
Introducing Poo Trap, an amazing new innovation that eliminates the need of picking up after your dog. Poo Trap.
That's what I like to call a sack of shit. Now our next tool is inspired by something that my dad used to do to all of his tools in his shop. And frankly, I don't think this is a bad idea. Let's take a look at one of his wrenches. Now my dad's name was Patrick Francis Flynn, and if you took a look at any of his tools, you would see his initials labeled on each tool. Now I'm not exactly sure how he engraved his initials on each tool, but I do know that each one had it. So when I saw this next as seen on TV tool, I thought I'd give it a try. This is the Easy Advantage Power Engraver. Let's take a look at it. This little contraption is essentially a handheld rotary tool. Now the claim to fame with this little guy is its ease of use and multi-surface application, including metal, plastic, glass, and wood. This tool is powered by 2 AA batteries that you slide into the frame of the tool, so you know that the power is going to be limited. If we look on the side of the tool, you'll notice there's a small white button that we press to operate the tool. At the very tip of the tool, you'll notice the engraving bit, and this is a fundamental problem with this tool, as you can't replace that bit. But let's look past that for now and see if this thing actually works. Now you may have a use for engraver on other materials, but for me, it's primarily on metal. So I'm going to test this engraver out and see if I can put my initials right next to my dad's. Now as I'm engraving this, I did notice that it's very comfortable to hold with its indentions on the side. Now it's definitely not a fast process, but it is scarring that metal. Let's take a close-up look at the results and see what we have. First up is my dad's engraving, and after about 40 to 50 years of oxidation, you can clearly see those initials. Next up is my engraving, and as you can can clearly see my initials. Now obviously time is my enemy here, as I don't have 40 or 50 years to see if that darkens up. But I can only assume that those initials will darken up and look very similar to my dad's. Now even though this tool does what it says, I still think it's kind of a gimmick. And that's because there's a lot of similar handheld rotary tools like this that you can exchange the bits on. Because I can guarantee you, if I were to continue to do all my wrenches, this bit would be very dull and this tool would be trash. Well, that takes us through our first 3 as seen on TV tools, and we're getting about the type of results that I was expecting. But we have 4 more left to take a look at. Before we move on to our 4th, I ask you to do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, and share this video, as it really does help out this small woodworking channel. Also, if you haven't checked out my website, check out flyndogwoodwork.com. There you can find some fun woodworking accessories like all the t-shirts that I wear in my videos. Lastly, if any of these tools interest you, I'll leave links in the description below so that you can go check them out for yourself. Now let's check out my next favorite as seen on TV product.
Has this ever happened to you? Introducing the Slob Stopper. Forget messy spills and unplanned accidents. Just slip it on and enjoy your busy lifestyle.
That's a man bib. Or a woman bib for that matter. Now our 4th tool is one that I had the most confidence in when I purchased it. And that's because it's quite similar to a tool I already have, and that's a universal socket. Now I know a lot of people have mixed feelings on these sockets, but when I was getting my shop redone, this thing was a lifesaver. And that's because I had all my wrenches and sockets in storage, and this little guy got me through that time. And it looks like this next As Seen on TV tool follows the same design. This is the man-walled universal socket. Let's get into it. So my first impressions with this tool is I think I'm going to be pleased, as this thing comes in a nice carrying case that stores all those bits. Let's open up this case and see what it comes with. Up on the top left-hand corner, you'll see the universal socket. Right below that, you'll see the hand attachment that allows you to drive in your bolt or screw. Right below that, you'll see an adapter to attach your universal socket, and below that, you'll see a variety of bits. Let's first take a look at that universal socket. As you can see, there's some spring-loaded pins that cradle any bolt that you put into it. And this is the exact same design that I have with my other universal wrench, and that design works great. If we look at the handle of this tool, you'll notice it's got a very comfortable pistol grip that supports 4 of your fingers as you drive in your screw or bolt. And this driver is a ratcheting driver that allows you to switch it from one direction to the other. And this driver comes preloaded with a removable hex adapter to accept all the included bits. And there's quite an extensive range of bits here, from Phillips to flathead to Robertson to even Torx bits. And finally, the last piece that comes in this set is an adapter to allow you to attach this driver to that universal socket. And not only can you attach the socket adapter and the bit adapter to the driver, but you can also attach each item to an impact driver. And that screw bit adapter is also magnetic, making sure that you never lose those bits. And with the unique handle on this thing, it really is a breeze to drive in those screws. Even lag screws can be driven in with ease. Well, this one is definitely not a gimmick, and probably one that's going to get a lot of use in my shop. Especially with its flexibility, being able to handle lag screws or bolts from 1/4 of an inch all the way up to 3/4 of an inch. But we ain't done yet. We've got 3 more As Seen on TV tools to take a look at. Before we take a look at our next tool, let's take a look at another one of my favorite As Seen on TV products.
The patented backup device slides easily between your mattress and box spring and mounts your shotgun flush at your bedside, enabling access to your shotgun while in the lying position.
Now you might be a redneck if you're interested in that product. You'd have to live in a pretty dangerous neighborhood. So our next tool we're going to take a look at is all about magnets. These are called Ruby Monkey magnets, and I thought they might be a nice addition for a stubborn cabinet door or even a box. Let's get these out of the box and see if they have any use. Inside the box, you're going to find 8 monkey magnets as well as 16 pieces of double-sided tape. You'll also find some hardware in case you want to screw these in. If we look at the box, you can see they're designed for cabinets, dresser drawers, sliding closet doors, accordion doors, and more. And each one of these comes with a magnet base as well as a strike plate, and I'll have to say these magnets are pretty strong. Now these are meant to be installed on cabinet doors or drawers that aren't closing all the way or just won't stay closed. But if you buy good enough hardware for those doors or drawers, you probably don't need these. And for me, I bought these for another purpose. Let me show you. Now these magnets can either be installed with double-sided tape or the included screws. And for my quick little example here, I use screws. Now I didn't do anything fancy here, as this is just for example purposes, but I fully intend on using these magnets as latches for some of the boxes that I make. And I'll have to say, it looks like they're going to work great for this purpose. I can even lift up the entire front of the box with that magnet. And the only downfall I see to using these magnets for boxes is the branding on both sides of the magnet, but these can be sanded off with just a little bit of sandpaper. Now, although I'm not using these magnets for their intended purpose, I do think these have a value in the shop. And I look forward to hopefully incorporating some of these magnets in some future keepsake boxes. Well, we're actually not doing too bad with these As Seen on TV shop tools. But we have a couple more to take a look at. Before we take a look at our next tool, let's take a look at another one of my favorite As Seen on TV commercials.
Introducing Cush Support. No straps, no underwires, no constraints, no adhesives, and no garments needed. The slip-resistant surface keeps Cush Support in place, even as you roll from side to side.
I don't like this one. So our next tool we're going to take a look at is all about the arbor nut. Well, at least that's where I know it will be useful. You ever been changing out your blade and you hear that dreaded noise? Yeah, that one. These SOBs can be a pain in the ass to get out and frankly can be hard to find in the darkness of your cabinet. And that's exactly why I picked up this next As Seen on TV tool. This next tool is a vibrator. Vibe light. Now you may have an extendable magnet wand in your shop, but this one's just a little bit different, as this one gives you a little bit of guidance with its attached flashlight. If we open the box, you can see it looks like any other flashlight, and this thing comes with 4 batteries installed as well as 4 extra batteries. But this tool is much more than a flashlight. If we unscrew the top, you can see that it fully extends. And it extends quite considerably, going over 22 inches long. And not only is it telescoping, but the head is also bendable, allowing you to go into some of those tight spots that you normally couldn't get to. Another cool thing about this tool is it's magnetic on both sides, not only on the butt of the tool, but also on the head of the flashlight. And because the head of your flashlight is magnetic, you can drop it into the abyss of your table saw and light your way until you find that arbor nut, making this an excellent companion, in my opinion, to any table saw. Well, it's a little gimmicky, but it does exactly what I intended it for. And because of this, I'm pretty pleased with this purchase. And who doesn't need another flashlight? Well, only one more item left to take a look at. But before we take a look at our last item, let's take a look at another one of my favorite as seen on TV commercials.
Introducing the Euro Club, the discreet sanitary solution for your urgent relief. It looks like an ordinary golf club, but contains a reservoir built into the grip to relieve yourself. The Euro Club comes...
Not only do they have the male version of this, but they also have the female one.
The P-Easy is amazing. I hate going to the bathroom at the mall, the gym, or even my boyfriend's house.
Why wouldn't you just use a tree? Well, our next item is all about organization and keeping all of your wires in one place. And I'll actually be surprised if this actually does what it says, but let's take a look at it anyway. These are called Ruby holding hands. Let's open up the box and see what they're all about. Now, if we look at the box, you can see that these are all about cable and wire organization. But if the magnets on these hands are strong enough, they actually may get some use. Now, obviously, these hands look like a total gimmick, and it comes with 8 sets. But after messing with these hands for a little bit, I'll have to say I'm pretty surprised. These magnets are really strong. Now, their intended use is obviously for cord management, and I think they'll do a fine job with that. But I actually had a different use for these hands in mind when I bought them, and that's actually for cord management with my dust collection hose. Now, this theoretically will work, but frankly, those hands are just a little bit too loose around that cord. And I think that's one of the main problems with this gimmick, as the strap between the two hands is just a little bit too long. And if you try to double wrap, those magnets on the hands just aren't strong enough to keep it together. Well, unfortunately, I think my suspicions were correct with this one, and it appears to be just a gimmick. I'll have to say I'm actually kind of surprised by today's video, as most of the tools function as advertised. But the real question is, are they useful in the shop? And I think the answer for most of these tools is a resounding no. Well, I had a lot of fun with today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, and share this video, as it really does help out this small woodworking channel. Also, if you haven't checked out my website, check out FlynnDogWoodwork.com. There you can find all sorts of fun woodworking accessories like all the t-shirts that I wear in my videos. Until next time, take care as always. You didn't think I'd let you get through this video without me showing my favorite product.
And you get the results you want.
I'm feeling it in my chest and my biceps and my triceps.